Are you joining us, Claudia?
I'm trying, I'm not connected again.
Yep.
Piss me off if I don't do something.
I'll leave. You can just do it. See you later, Ray.
See you, man. All right, we have Higginbotham and an iPhone.
Good job today, man. I say good job. Okay.
Assuming it's everybody.
Might be in a little bit, just the spin and entrance.
All right. It all.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you? Still hooking up. Uh-oh. I think it's hooked up. You're muted right now. Ms. Hughes, you're muted right now. Froze. I think you actually froze up.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm sure she'll probably sign back in.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How are you this morning, Your Honor?
Just wonderful. Claudia, we're letting you in. Well, that's the court reporter.
Okay.
Here we go. She's coming back. Can you unmute?
You're muted, Ms. Hughes.
There you go.
Okay.
Can you hear us now? Am I locked up again?
Oh, yes, sir.
Can you hear? You can hear us. I think your phone's locked up, but as long as you can hear us, we're probably okay. There you go.
Yeah, I can hear.
Just moving again. This is 003-1856-2020, and I think it's provisions at Melissa versus Tammy Hughes. It's set for trial. Is it next week?
Yes, Your Honor, Monday, 11.
Here's the problem. I think it's set for a jury trial.
Yes, sir.
We're not allowed to try jury cases right now because of COVID.
Yeah, and
So we.
I just had surgery and I'm still in the bed actually right now. Both my parents have
Okay.
COVID. So it's like,
Well, we can't do a jury trial next week. I'm not even sure when we will get
To a jury trial.
trial. We can reschedule it. I mean, I guess I'm probably guessing June is probably the earliest date we're going to have juries up here.
Mhm.
I know that doesn't help y'all out much, but that's probably the fastest we'll have a shot at a jury trial. We'll have to be creative to even make that happen.
Right. I don't necessarily think a jury is necessary, Your Honor, but Ms. Hughes' previous attorney, Mr. Burrow, did request a jury at this point. Ms. Hughes, do you have intentions on retaining counsel, or what are you doing at this point?
I am just getting to the point where I can am able to get out and get an attorney. I've had surgery. So yes, I'm going to have to get an attorney.
How much time will you need to hire an attorney?
Probably in the next two weeks. I'm
So
still,
if we reschedule the trial for, say, March, do you think you can have an attorney online and up to speed by then?
sure.
And then at that point, if you have an attorney and get your attorney to talk to the plaintiff's counsel and see if y'all can work something out, it's probably the best and fastest way to get this thing resolved. So,
Okay.
but let's go ahead and reset it for trial then.
Okay.
Week of, let's say, March 15th.
Okay.
Your pretrial will be March 11th. If you would have your attorney on board by then, we'll probably do the pretrial by Zoom again.
Okay.
And that'd be at 10 o'clock on March 11th, okay?
Okay.
This is the only notice you'll get of that. So get your attorney as fast as you can so that whoever it is can get working on this case, and make
Okay.
sure you provide the plaintiff's attorney's name and all that stuff so they can get in touch and see if they can
Okay.
get things worked out, okay? Did you
Okay.
catch all that?
Yes, Your
March
Honor.
11th, pretrial at 10 o'clock, and then the trial.
Let me write this.
the
March
trial
11th.
next week sometime.
At 10 o'clock. And then the trial will be the following week after that, Your Honor.
Yeah, we'll set up when the trial would happen on March
At
11th.
pretrial.
And if
Yes, ma'am.
it's not a jury trial, we probably could make it happen. We probably actually can do it by Zoom.
Mark,
March
so the pretrial will be when?
March 11th
11th at 10.
at 10 o'clock a.m.
One more thing, Ms. Hughes, if you are just willing to vacate the unit, just give me a move out date. The property will be willing to dismiss. We've been going back and forth on dates for a while now. At this point, they just want possession, not necessarily a judgment.
Okay. Right now, I can't lift anything over 5 pounds until January, I think 22nd.
Mhm.
So that's been the whole issue.
Well, if you can be out before the pretrial of March 11th, then we can just dismiss on March 11th.
Yeah, and if y'all get it all worked out by then,
Okay.
you
Well,
may
then
not have to
that'll
hire
work.
a lawyer. It
If we
sounds
can
like-
do, that'll work. If we can do that, that'll work. That's been the whole issue.
Okay,
All right, Ms. Hughes, we'll be in
Good
contact. Let me know if March 11th works, if you get counsel. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate
good
it.
luck, y'all.
Thank
Thank
you.
y'all.
All right. Bye-bye.